Welcome back to Divine Times 2. We love to share delicious recipes, hauls, and sometimes reviews on products we think you'll like. Hope you're doing well, keeping yourself happy, busy, and healthy. During the month of January, we are going to show you 5 delicious and comforting soups. We chose these soups because they are delicious and are easy to make. So join us every week for a different but amazing soup that will not only warm your soul, but your home as well. Let's get started on the second soup of the week, creamy potato and bacon soup. In a 5-quart stock pot, I'm going to add 1 pound of bacon. And I have cut this into pieces. Cook this at medium heat until the bacon is crispy. Now that the bacon is crispy, I am going to take it out, place in a bowl, in a plate, and I am going to take out the bacon fat from inside the pot. I'm not going to use that. Crispy bacon. Now I'm going to place the crispy bacon to the side. To the stock pot, I am adding 4 tablespoons of butter. Let that melt. To this, I am adding 1 large chopped onion, 3 pounds gold potatoes, peeled, cubed small. Add it to the pot. I'm going to stir this, and I am going to cook this for about 7 minutes on medium heat. The potatoes and onions have been cooking for 7 minutes on medium. I did stir occasionally, and I did put the lid on it. Now I am going to add 5 cloves of minced garlic, and 1 tablespoon dried parsley, half a teaspoon ground coriander, and 1 teaspoon ground black pepper. I'm going to stir this well and cook it for 1 minute. Now at this point, I am going to use 4 cups of water. This is 4 cups. This is 1 cup, so a total of 5 cups of water. To this, I am adding 2½ tablespoons of roasted vegetable bouillon. If you have vegetable broth, you need 5 cups. You can also use chicken broth, 5 cups. Now I'm going to bring this to a boil. Now that it has come up to a boil, I am going to lower the temperature to medium-low, and I am going to simmer this for 15 minutes uncovered, or until the potatoes are tender. The soup has been simmering for exactly 15 minutes. I'm going to check the potatoes to see if they are tender. They are tender. Now, using a potato masher, I am going to mash some of the potatoes, not all of the potatoes. I want little bits of potato in there. This is what I'm looking for. Okay, at this time, I am going to add, this is 3 sliced green onions, and the pound of crispy bacon. Stir, and I'm going to cook this for about 1 minute. Now I am going to slowly pour 1 cup whole milk and 1 cup half and half. If you don't have half and half, you can use 2 cups whole milk or 2 cups half and half. Now simmer this, stirring constantly until it's somewhat thickened. And this is cooking at medium-low heat. At this time, I am going to add 2 cups shredded cheddar cheese. Going to add 1 cup at a time. And the 2nd cup. Stir. Now this soup will be done when all the cheese is melted. Then it's time to enjoy. At this time, taste it. If you think it needs more salt, add salt to your taste. This soup is so creamy. I have to try this for you guys. It was so good. Oh, it's so like comforting. The crispy bacon is wonderful in there, and the green onions give it a delicious flavor. Wow. It's so creamy. It's not salty. It's perfect. A bowl of this soup on a cold day or night will be amazing. So satisfying. I hope you give this recipe a try. You are going to love it. Wow. Thank you for watching. Give us a thumbs up. Let us know if you make any of these wonderful soups. and if you have any recipe ideas you would like to see on our channel. If you have not subscribed already, please do so you won't miss out on any of our future videos. Remember to stay kind, positive, and divine. See you next time. Love ya. Bye.